Precision, innovation, production. Welcome to the future of engineering.
Where ideas meet precision, metal turns to mastery. Engineering solutions built with skill and accuracy. From concept to production, designing what the world needs. Dalkrins Technologies stand strong, turning vision into deeds. Dalkrins Technologies, engineering done right. Dalkrins Technologies, powering industry with might. Design, research, production. The Dalkrins figure is best. Dalkrins Technologies, where engineering meets success. General contract machining, precision every cut. CAD, CAM, CNC training, building skills the future wants. Turning, milling, tool supply, consulting you can trust. G-code, M-code, programming, engineering without guesswork or rust.
Research, innovation, production in one place. Industrial line, machining flows pace. From prototype to final machine. Dalkrins Technologies, clean, smart, and sure.